good afternoon. Today guys is 23 of December 2022 and I just arrived home guys. I went to do some errands. I went to the pharmacist, I went to the supermarket, and I will show you guys the things that I bought. Okay, I went to the pharmacist and I bought a face mask. So I have 4 in here, and I also have 2 more in the car because I need these ones guys because I'm going to travel. And also this one is a Pirital. This is like paracetamol for the kids. So these are the only 2 things that I bought at the at the pharmacy guys. And okay, let's continue to the grocery store or to the supermarket. Okay, as you all know that Christmas is in 2 days, so I bought this one guys for appetizer. So we have these 2 packs guys of smoked salmon. Yes, and I bought 6 packets of these guys for Philippines. Yes, 6 packs. There are 3 types in here guys. So every type I bought 2 packets. So this one is Salchichon Iberico Extra. This one also is Lomo de Cebo Iberico. So I also have 2 of these packets. Yeah. And this one, this is hamon. Hamon is, you all know that's ham. And it is also Jamon de Cebo Iberico. This is Iberic ham guys, and these are really good. So we have 6 packets of these guys in total. We also have this onion shampoo. A friend of me suggested this onion shampoo guys because my hair is falling, so I tried this one and it's like it works guys. So the other one that I have is finishing, so I bought another one. I bought another extra for this hand soap, and I also bought this one guys, sanitary napkin. Yes, and okay, let's continue into this. Yeah, and I showed you this one already. And we also have this one guys, salted biscuits. This is like Crits guys. This is the supermarket brand, but you know what, I read in here that this biscuit guys is manufactured by Galetas Golon. So Galetas Golon is like branded, so it's the same guys, you know. They put only the name of the supermarket, but the manufacturer is branded. I mean, okay, let's say that it's like branded. Okay, and we also have this kitchen towel, these Danish biscuits guys for my mom. I also have another one in there, and my kids loves tomatoes guys. So this one has 3 colors: red, the dark green, and yellow guys, as we are in holidays. So I bought this one. Yes, and these are so good guys. And I bought also these fresh dates. Yes, these are so good as well, and my plan is to bring this home. Yes, and I bought 2 packets of these broccoli. We love broccoli so much. And 2 packets of these guys, French beans, and we're going to use this one on Sunday. That's for Sunday. These vegetables are for Sunday. And we also have these I love this guys. I love this kind of cucumber. It is really good. I love it. You cannot taste the bitter part guys, so I love this one. And let's go to these chocolates. So we have this Moncherry, and there are 15 inside of like these guys. Yes, I'm not sure if with liquor or not. I think it's without liquor, but normally yeah, so it has liquor a little bit guys. Bombones de chocolate negro con cereza. with a cherry and a little bit of liquor. And we also have this Ferrero Rocher. So this one, guys, it has 30 in total. Yes, so I have 2 of these. I also bought this green tea with ginger and orange. I love green teas, guys. And I also bought this 1 pack, guys, and they have like promotion 2 + 1. Yes, and it is mixed. This one is from Lind, and yeah, every pack is 200 grams, and I think it's good. Yes, and we're going to bring this guys home, and this chocolate as well. We're going to bring this, and let's continue on here. We have this Brie President. This is, we love this cheese so much. And another cheese, guys, this one is also Camembert. I was looking for the Brie brand Camembert like this, guys, but the President brand, but I couldn't find it, so I bought this one. And oops. And hopefully this is good as like the President one. Okay, and we bought also 3 of these longanisas, guys, dried longanisas for appetizers. They are really nice on the table, and I'll bring some also. Okay, and I bought 2 of these, guys, for the girls, just to, you know, just for fun on 24th night. Yes, if we are going to do the kagatillo. And also I bought a bag of mandarin. They love so much, they requested for a mandarin, so I bought a bag of that. That's 2 kilos. And also a bag of lemon. And we also, I bought these extras, guys. I have in our pantry, but I because I'm going home for some days, and I bought these ones, guys, for my husband. Not only for my husband, but for the 3 of them, because it's easier to make. Just open this one, put in a pot, and then add a little bit of pasta, and then they have soup already. So we have chicken, we have fish, and we have also a mixed of chicken and beef, this one. Okay, and I bought the supermarket brand. And we bought also these 2 bottles of tomato sauce, because I'm going to cook spaghetti or macaroni for the kids. I'm going to put that in an aluminum container and freeze it, so they will have food for some days. And I'm going also to cook meatballs, so we need the tomato sauce. And this sugar, guys, just in case if someone will ask me to make some bread, and I will use this one. And we also have these blueberries. Yeah, the kids love it. And we also have this honey, and this is the supermarket brand as well, guys. And I'm going to use this one to put into our salmon, and it is really good, guys. So I'm going to cook honey salmon, guys, for Saturday, no, for Sunday. That's why I bought that one, because I have another bottle, but that is half already, so better to have another extra just in case. And I love, guys, crispy onion. I love to put this in my soups, that's why I bought this. And also we have this Philadelphia for spread. We also have a fresh mozzarella, yes, cheese, guys, for salads or wherever you want to put it. I also bought this arandano this blueberry marmalade, guys, or blueberry jam for yeah, for something that I'm going to cook. And I bought also 2 more extra of this, because I bake a lot, guys, because some friends, they ask me to bake sometimes, so I bought 2 of these just for extra. And I love this, guys. Yes, so I bought this one. This one is biscuit. We also have these breadsticks, but this one is whole wheat, guys. Yeah, it's good. And I also bought this muesli. We love muesli so much. Yes, especially my husband. Yeah, so we have these cleaning things, guys. Yeah, these two, and this one is for the dishwasher. And we have also 3 kinds of pastas. This one is for soup, as you can see that it is thinner. And this one is for fideuà, as you can see that fideuà. So I'm going to cook fideuà also for my family and freeze it. And this one is also for fideuà, guys, for fish or whatsoever you like. Yes, and I also bought these 2 packets of turkey breast. And we have also cheddar cheese. We love cheese. And I bought also this cheese. This is French one, guys. As you can see that there's French flag in here. So we are going to have this on the 24th night, Christmas Eve. And this is the container, the aluminum foil that I told you. So each pack has 2 aluminum tin foil, guys, or aluminum container. Yeah, so I have 4, so I'm going to cook for 4 kinds of food, guys. We have 3 packets of bacon, guys, and my plan is to put some dates inside, and yeah, salty and sweet. The combination is really good. And we also have this mushroom, yes, for our sauteed vegetables. And we also have a kilo of carrots. This one's, guys, yeah, there were many people, guys, at the butcher, so I was in a hurry because it was quite late already. So I bought these ones, guys. Yeah, and I also bought a packet of these of this one, guys, for soup. Yes, and chicken. I still have 2 whole chickens in the freezer, but I want to have 1 just in case. And 3 kilos of salmon. Yes, guys, so that's it. That's it, guys. Yes, guys, and now what I'm going to do is I will keep all of this, and then I will separate the things that I am going to cook for my family, so they will have food when I go, guys. Yes, so our menu is I'm going to cook, yes, spaghetti or macaroni. The only thing that I'm going to change is the kind of pasta, because if I cook spaghetti, it's quite difficult for the kids to eat, because you know spaghetti is quite long. And the penne, guys, penne, or the macaroni, they call it macaroni here, or macaron. So that's what I'm going to use, so it's easier for them to eat. No need to help them in this way. And that is one menu. And another one is also meatballs. Yeah, so that's 2 already. And oh, I forgot to buy the, how do you call this, I forgot to buy, can you see? That's why I wanted to go to the butcher, because I want to buy pork ribs. Yes, but because there were so many people, so I left and I bought only the ground meat. And yeah, I forgot the how they call this, the pork ribs, guys, for the fideuà or paella. That's what I told to Hailey, but we don't have that. I have the whole pork ribs, but that is for in the oven, guys. It's not chopped, and it's so hard to cut that one, and I don't want to break our counter. Yes, guys, just to cut that one. Okay, and what else? And spring rolls. Yeah, I have to cook spring rolls. And what else? Yeah, so I will cook 4 things, guys. And we have this soup that is ready anytime. Just add the pasta. So what else I can cook? Yes guys, so I will show you later guys, okay?